The poor dog, chased by evil monkeys. Max sniffed around curiously. Max loved to explore. Several monkeys spot Max, chattering loudly, jumping from trees. The monkey screeches. Uh-oh. Trouble ahead. Max sprints through bushes. Monkeys follow, swinging from branches. Max ran as fast as he can to escape the 7 monkeys. Suddenly, one monkey nearly grabbed Max. He dodges skillfully. That was a close one, Max said to himself. Max bursts into a clearing. His owner scoops him up in relief. Max was finally safe. Max licks his owner's face, and the monkeys watch from a distance, confused. Bravery comes in small packages. Adventures come in the silliest forms. Like and subscribe, and follow for more.